In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method on Upwork, which is crucial for receiving your hard-earned money from your freelancing projects. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's begin by heading over to the Upwork homepage. When you open your browser, type in the website address for Upwork. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign into your account, located at the top right of the page. Click it to enter your login information unless you're already signed in. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. This is usually represented by either your profile picture or an icon of a person. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select your profile. Clicking on this will take you to your personal profile page, where you can view and manage your professional information on Upwork. Now, look for the profile settings link. Once you find it, click on it to navigate to the settings page. This section is crucial because it's where you can control various aspects of your Upwork account. Within your profile settings, you'll notice a tab or option labeled User Settings. Click on it to take a deeper dive into the behind-the-scenes configuration of your profile, where you can manage various operational details. Next, find and click on the Get Paid option. This is one of the most critical steps, so take a moment to ensure you've navigated to the correct page. This section is specifically designed to set up and manage the methods by which Upwork pays you for your completed work. Once you're on the Get Paid page, you'll see a section labeled Withdrawal Methods. Here, you will find various options for how you'd like to receive your payments. To proceed, click on Add Method. At this point, you'll need to enter accurate and thorough information for the payment method you've chosen. Upwork provides several options such as direct bank transfers, PayPal, or Payoneer, so select the one that suits you best. As you enter your data, double-check everything to avoid issues with your payments down the line. This step is vital for ensuring that your earnings reach you efficiently and without any complication. Now, you're all set. With these steps completed, your payment method is ready and you can expect to receive your funds through the new method you selected. Congratulations on setting up your payment method on Upwork and happy freelancing.